BYS yoga sessions. We will do Sarvangasana. Lie down on the back, legs together, hands along with the body, toes in stretching position. Inhaling, take both the legs lifted up to 90 degrees. Firmly placing the palms on the floor, take the legs towards the head like a halasana position. Now slowly take hands towards the hips. On the back, taking support of the hands, lift the legs straight. From shoulder to hips should be straight. From hips to toes should be straight. Entire body from shoulder to toe should be straight. Straighten the body. Normal breathing. You can stay any longer when you are normal breathing. All the organs will get toned up. Every part of the body will get impacted. It will be positive impact. The lower part of the lungs will get a breathe. So many benefits. Your heart, lungs, respiratory system, everything will get toned up. Stay there as long as if you cannot, then slowly bring the legs towards the head on the floor, parallel to the floor. Palms on the floor now. Firmly taking support of the palms on the floor, keeping legs straight, knees and toes straight. Each vertebrae, slowly bring your back to the floor, slowly, as slow as possible, inch by inch. Once you come to 90 degrees, once legs come to 90 degrees, relax there for some time, normalize the breath. Then slowly exhaling, bring the legs again as slow as possible, bring the legs towards the floor. Make sure your knees are straight, toes in stretching position throughout the asana, as slow as possible. Once your legs are on the floor, normalize the breath. We will go for counter asana, which is Matsyasan. Now come to Padmasana. If you cannot come to Padmasana, you can cross the legs by keeping left leg straight, right leg on top of the left leg, palms close to the hips. Those who can come to Padmasana, come to Padmasana. Once you are in Padmasana, see if you can place the knees on the floor. Take the hands towards the head, and taking support of the palms, lift the head and place the crown of the head on the floor. And by default, the central part of the body will get lifted when your crown of the head is on the floor. Now catch hold of the toes with respective hands. If you are comfortable, you can lift even hips a little. Your lower back will get impacted. Your neck muscles will get impacted. Slowly normalize the head. Taking support of your elbows, lift a head up to the navel portion. Take the elbow support from elbow to palm on the floor. Now we will do neck exercise. Slowly bring the head down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, take the head back. Exhaling down. Slowly. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, bring forward. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling, turn right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling, left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right, left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down, inhaling left, slowly take it back, exhaling right, slowly come forward, inhaling left, slowly take it back, exhaling right, slowly come forward, inhaling left, slowly take it back, exhaling right, slowly come forward, come to center. Now relax the Padmasana, straighten the legs, slowly lie down on your back, relax in Shavasana, comfortable distance between both the legs, hands along with the body, entire body is in relaxed position. Now start scanning relaxed body from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe, again left leg toe to head and head to right leg toe. Each and every part of the body scan with your mental eye. Relax the entire body. Turning from right, come and relax in sitting position. Thank you.